Hey guys, in this video I am going to tell you how you get rid of pimples in such an amazing way. Pimples are a common problem that people of all age can face. When someone has breakout, they may want to know how to get rid of their pimples fast. But you don't need to still worry. This amazing remedy will help you to remove your pimples overnight. To make this remedy, we will require few ingredients such as turmeric powder. Turmeric helps destroying the acne-causing bacteria and also remove the excess oil from the skin. The turmeric powder has some anti-bacterial and anti-fungal property which can keep the face clean. Sandalwood powder. Sandalwood powder has a shooting effect on inflammation caused by pimple and acne. It is very effective in removing blemishes and treating acne. Rose water. The anti-inflammatory properties of rose water can help reduce skin redness, prevent adhesion, swelling, and smoothing out discomfort of acne. Now we can make this magical remedy. Firstly, we need turmeric powder. Simply we just add 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder into the container. The next amazing ingredient is sandalwood powder. We just add 1.5 teaspoon of sandalwood powder into the container. In the last, we need rose oil as an ingredient. We just add 1 teaspoon of rose oil into the mixture. Now mix it well. And the remedy is ready to use. Hey guys, if you like this video, please like and share this content and also subscribe my channel